Godzilla, and I have here a couple kits made by KOC, which is stands for Kingdom of Curiosity. And these are two GMK kits. One is 33 centimeter and one is 22 centimeter. Most kits are either 30 or 20 centimeter, so they're a little bigger than a lot of kits relative to the general size. They are nice sculpts, very clean casts, and I have them here on my shelf of other Godzilla kits here. Just cleared a little bit of space here so that we could take a look at them. For this one, the tail is meant to stay up, and so I fashioned a small wire thing to hold it up, keep the tail up. And these are commission pieces. This small one here, my client found it at G-Fest. Saw a picture of it at G-Fest, and I was there, and he asked me to purchase it for him, which I did. And he paid me for the kit, and I built it for him. And this other kit was something that he had traded. A kit that I had built up, he traded it for me to have this, and I decided that I didn't want to keep it, and wasn't really something I was looking for, and so he offered to buy it back from me and have me build it, so I did. So now I have two kits for my client, and they're both really nice, good detail kits. And take a closer look at the face on the big one here and the small one. But yeah, it's kind of cool to have these two kits in the same place at the same time and build them pretty much at the same time. And hopefully he'll like them when he gets them. Alright, so that's all for now. Till next time, see you later. Bye.